Model 2007 DAF TRUCKS LF body, white, chassis cab mileage, 121030 engine, 4500 cc FR118 S1 transmission, 5-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary. Bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Previously was a paving and concrete business. Features: 0 former keepers, full service.